good. Santé. Okay, we're starting with a salad. Come on, it's just gonna be a really quick rucola. Da, 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 da. We can, with that, we're gonna do pomegranate and raw beetroot. Just so we stay with the beetroot. For the pomegranate, cut it in the middle. Yeah, I hope I end up in the right place. Yep, that looks good. Pull it apart. And normally we should be able to shake out the pomegranate. Nice. Yeah, there they come. Up. Okay, ding, 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 ding. Okay, up to for the rest. Okay, so I don't know how Steven is gonna follow. We gonna quickly. And look, this is like the most beautiful beetroot. And we're just gonna grate this into the salad. Up. Want everything to be nicely mixed, and then we just put a little bit more as deco on. You know, the good thing is if you mix by hand, it keeps the salad nice and fluffy. Okay, and this looks really good. Dun, 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 dun. It just needs a bit of sauce, and that's going to be our salad. Up. Have to do a very quick vinaigrette, mustard, olive oil, and just for the fun of it, I'm going to put some sesame oil with it. Fill it up with sesame oil, balsamico, and after the balsamico, we add a little bit of white pepper. Up. If you want to add salt too, salt is good, but I tend to do, well, very lightly because I'm not allowed much salt. We have our salad sauce. Tastes good.